Hello YouTube, it's Downcast Society here, giving you a tutorial on how to make my Lego sniper rifle. You can use this for right or left-handed minifigure, it doesn't matter. So let me get it disassembled real quick. Alrighty, I am back, and the hardest pieces that you're gonna have trouble finding is probably this Boba Fett's blaster and whatever the heck this is. So the first thing you're gonna need to do, well, here are the pieces: the Boba Fett's blaster, two 1x1 cylinders, two antennas, one of these, and a blue stud. So first you take one of the 2x1s, take the blue stud, and place it on top. Put that off to the side. Next, you take this piece and attach the two pieces here off, two antennas to the side, like that. Next, you take one of the antenna, place it there. Take the 1x1 cylinder, place it there. Tilt these so it's like that. Next, take the blaster and place it on so it looks like that. Next, you take this and place it like that, so that makes the scope. And there's my Lego sniper rifle. Comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, thanks. Downcast Society signing off.